Dang, what happened over there, man? Uh-oh. That looked like somebody died. That's not good. I want to be a nosy. I'm going to wrap around the other way. Oh, dang, the street's blocked off over here, too. What the heck? Oh, they got crime scene investigators. Damn. That's not good. They've got the street blocked off all 4 directions. Oh god, that's not good. There's a bike down over there across the street. Oh man, this is not good. Motorcycle down. Accident investigation. This sucks. Well, hopefully the guy's okay. There's no body or anything. He must have been taken to the hospital. Hopefully he's alright. That's sad. They're mapping out where the skids started and everything. All I know is that's not good. That's a scary thing to see right there. Do you know if he's okay? Do you know if the rider's okay? So, yeah, I know. Do you know if the rider is okay? He's not okay? That's sad. Oh man, that sucks. That's not good. Damn, the way you said that, yeah, it makes me sick to my stomach. Seriously. Oh, God. What I'm try to do is go online and try to find some kind of anything on the news or something. I doubt that there will be for a traffic accident, but it's worth a shot. Well, after my lunch break, I went on to this Facebook forum called Riders Down Alert, I think, and sure enough, yeah, it was a motorcycle and a pickup truck had an accident right there, and the rider ended up dying on the scene. It's depressing. I don't know, it just made me feel kind of sick all the rest of the day. This sucks. They don't know if it was the bike's fault or the pickup. There's like a investigation underway, I suppose. That's where the bike was. But yeah, the bike was right there. And the guy was gone by the time I saw the scene of the accident. That really sucks. Try to ride safe, guys.